How to use a Sephora gift card online. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can use a Sephora gift card online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically use a Sephora gift card online, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch your browser, go to sephora.com, log into your account if you'd like, and then add the products that you want to buy to your cart. Once you add the products that you want to buy to your cart, tap the cart icon, and then all you have to do is just go to the checkout page by tapping the checkout option. And once you come to the checkout page, it is under the payment method, where if you want to use a gift card, you'll also find an option that says add gift card. So where you just want to tap on add gift card option, make sure to enter your gift card number, the PIN, hit the apply option. Depending upon the value of that gift card, you'll be able to redeem them, and then just tap on save and continue to purchase this product here. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically use a Sephora gift card online. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.